Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss how is money refunded when a property delay is cancelled. Not all property deals make their way through. Some deals get cancelled midway for several reasons, including lack of funds, legal issues, and even an ultimately demise. Let us see if you can get back your token money, stamp duty, and GST if you cancel a property you booked. Can you get back the token money paid? Once the buyer and the seller fix the terms and conditions of the customer property deals, they exchange some cash as a sign of good faith between the parties involved. One successful verbal agreement between a buyer and a seller, the first transaction of a buyer typically makes is the payment of token money, which depicts their intention to go ahead with the sale. The token amount paid varies according to the property size and location, and as per the terms and conditions laid out by the seller. Suppose the seller back out from the deals in that case, the buyer may file for a compensator's suit and demand that they get refunded the money they lost in the transaction. In certain property cancellation, individual sellers demand half token money when the buyers pay. What are the tax issues related to the token money? Per his well as a seller may decide not to forfeit the token money paid beforehand if a buyer back out. Well, in other case, the seller may choose otherwise. The buyer has no right to any tax benefit for the amount paid as it comes under the capital loss bracket under tax laws. Can you get the refund of the stamp duty paid? When a property change hands, a typically type of property tax called stamp duty has to be paid. The tax come into being from enacting the Indian Stamp Act of 1899. For most property transactions, the buyer pays some money as stamp duty, and this may be a fixed amount or maybe a percentage of the total value of the assets being bought specified. Registration fees and other service charge also need to be paid to complete a registration or property deals. The respective state government under whose jurisdiction the property falls decide upon such fees. Hence, the refund laws regarding stamp duty also vary from state to state. For instance, in Maharashtra, on cancellation of a real estate deals, the state government allows 2 years to claim the refund of the stamp duty.